Welcome back students to standard 9th maths chapter 7 triangles, and we are in the 5th session now. Alright children, so previously we saw 3 illustrations, 3 examples. Alright, now we move on to the exercise number 7.1. It's on page number 118. Okay, now we'll see the first one. In quadrilateral ACBD, it's not ABCD. In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD. We'll start making the mark. AC, this one, is AD, this one. The symbols show you AC equal to AD, and that helps us in the figure, correct? And AB bisects angle A. Children, what do you mean by that? AB bisects angle A, this angle A. That means AB divides angle A into 2 angles of equal measure. So this angle equal to this angle. Alright? ये डायरेक्टली है AC इक्वल टू AD, लेकिन ये दो एंगल इक्वल है, यू गेट फ्रॉम दिस इनडायरेक्टली. ऑलराइट, ओके. शो दैट, ओके, as shown in the figure, show that triangle ABC, इसको मैं रेड बना देता हूं, ट्राइंगल ABC, ये AB, ये BC और ये AC. So this is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. AB, BD and AD. So green triangle is triangle ABD. We have to prove red triangle is congruent to green triangle. काम बन गया children. From the figure it's very clear. Two corresponding paths are equal. AC equal to AD or angle BAC equal to angle BAD. यहाँ से मिला, correct? And can you find the third? Yes, I think you got it. Common side, 3 marks for that. AB, side of red one. AB is also side of green one. Correct? So it is common side. So side angle side, or if you start from here, side angle side. By SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Done. There is one more question. What can you say about BC and BD? Where is BC? This red side. BD, this green side. Yeah, by CPCT they will be equal. Correct? Are you getting me? Chalo. Now, data. Let's write down. Solution. Data. What's given in the data? In quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equal to AD and AB bisects angle A. That's it. To prove, two things to be proved. First, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Let me write this red. उसको red ही लिख देता हूं. Triangle ABC. Correct? Or second thing that you have to prove, what can be said, ऐसे लिखते हैं, what can be said about BC and BD. Okay? ठीक है. Children, proof. Shall we start? What should I write first? AC equal to AD directly मिलता है. AB equal to AB डायरेक्टली मिलेगा कॉमन साइड, लेकिन ये डायरेक्टली नहीं मिलेगा, ये इसमें नहीं दिया है. angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. That is not given to you directly in the statement. It is given to you indirectly. So first I'll show this. So I'll start my proof by picking up this. AB bisects angle A. From where did you get it? By data. Therefore, angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. Alright? BAC, red part पहले लिखते हैं, BAC. Okay. This is 1 by definition. Bisector of angle gives you definition. Alright, using the definition. Alright, now I can pick up thus in red triangle ABC, ये वाला, and green triangle ABD. The first thing that you have is this. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. BAC, the red one, equal to BAD, the green one, by 1. Alright. Then you have AC, the red side AC, equal to AD, the green side AD. This is by data. हमारे पास डेटा में है, करेक्ट? एंड बोलिए कॉमन साइड AB is equal to AB, and that is common side, correct? Therefore, children, therefore, a correspondence, red corresponds to black is, sorry, red corresponds to green is congruence by which condition? Side angle side, by SAS rule. चलिए, रेड में क्या लिख दूं? यही फॉर्म लिख दूं, ABC, करेक्ट? अब यहां डैश 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 ग्रीन पार्ट लिखना है. डू यू हैव एनी एंगल्स इक्वल? यस, ये रहे दो एंगल्स इक्वल. बीच में देखो A corresponds to A. So A is in the first order, so write green A in the first order. Now you know that A corresponds to A, so you can say C corresponds to D. C is in the last order, D has to be in the last order. Fill in the blank, the last one. Green triangle से है, A और D आ गया, बच गया B, तो fill in the blank कर लो. That's it. Therefore, triangle, I am putting the symbol of triangle, ABC. So now symbol of congruent, all right, is congruent to triangle ABD. Proved. 1. The first one is proved. All right. Now what can be said about BC and BD? आप यही देख लो. BC last two letter है, last two letter BD. So BD and BC are corresponding sides. And since the two triangles are congruent, they are also equal. Thus, BC equal to BD by CPCT. Congruent parts of congruent triangles. Correct? BC and BD are congruent parts of congruent triangles. So what can be said about BC and BD? BC equal to BD. They are equal. Got it, children? I hope you have understood. Good. Copy this in your notebook. Alright, take a screenshot. So, are you ready for the next one? Here it is. Number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral. This time ABCD. Alright. ABCD, that's the quadrilateral, in which AD equal to BC. Let's see, where is AD? Here. AD or BC here. They are equal. AD equal to BC. And angle DAB. Where is DAB? DAB. Ye angle, this angle, alright, is equal to angle CBA. Where is CBA? CBA. These two angles are equal. All right, ये symbol, double line and this cross mark, they are equal. See the figure. We have seen the figure and we put the mark also. Prove that. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. 3 things to be proved. Don't worry about that. It's quite easy. First, triangle ABD. This triangle ABD. Let me make it red. A is here, B is here and D is here. So AD draw करना होगा. AB and BD. So that's the red triangle is congruent to triangle BAC. Let me make it green. B ये, A this and C this. चलिए ग्रीन बना देते हैं, राइट? And this. That is green triangle. Children, red or green triangle में one side is common. Which side? AB. AB is the common side. AB is red side. AB is green side as well. So that is the common side for both the triangle. And common sides are always equal. 3 marks for that, as I said. Okay? Now, you have to prove this triangle red is congruent to triangle green. कुछ पार्ट्स मुझे दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Yes, red side AD is equal to green side BC. Red angle, children, BAD is equal to green angle ABC. These two angles, they are equal. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग दिखता है, बट बराबर देखो. रेड एंगल BAD या DAB और ग्रीन एंगल ABC, they are equal. And then third side is common. So look at the red triangle. Side, angle, side. If you look at the green triangle, side, angle, side. So by SS, the two triangles are equal. अब इसके लिए डरने की जरूरत नहीं है, because BD and AC are sides. Angle ABD and angle BAC are angles. They will be the corresponding parts of this congruent triangles. So they will be equal. वो आसानी से प्रूव हो जाएगा by CPCT. Are you getting me? But main is this. चलिए, कुछ indirectly मिला हो? नहीं, ये दो साइड डायरेक्टली, दो एंगल डायरेक्टली, और कॉमन साइड तो डायरेक्टली मिलता है. So we can straight away take the triangles directly in proof. Proof. In triangle red, उसका नाम ABD दे दे, and triangle green, that is triangle BAC, which parts are congruent? बोलिए. AD is equal, DAB लिखा है, करेक्ट? एंगल DAB. आप BAD कहो या DAB, यहां DAB कहा है. एंड थर्ड, द साइड AB is equal. बोलिए. AD is equal to BC. All right, that is green side BC. Then angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. CBA, that is this green angle. Angle CBA. And AB equal to AB. What is the reason for this? By data. What is the reason for these equal angles? By data. And what is the reason for these two equal sides? Common sides. Correct, children? Are you getting me? Is it easy? Are you finding it easy? You should. Therefore, yeah, thus, a correspondence. Red corresponds to green triangle is congruence by side, angle side, by SAS rule. Is that clear to you? चलिए रेड का क्या लिखो? ये जहां प्रूव कर रहा है ABD डैश डैश डैश. चलिए, do you have any equal angles? Yeah, here. बीच वाला क्या है? A. यहां बीच में B. So red A जो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में है corresponds to B. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में. नाउ ए corresponds to B. Red A corresponds to B. So red B corresponds to A. B is in the second order, so A. Alright, अब जो बच गया वो C. Correct? A corresponds to B, so D corresponds to C. Last. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Proved 1. Also, BD, last two letters, BD and AC, they are equal. Also, BD equal to AC. Proved 2. And angle ABD, BAC, and angle ABD उसी ऑर्डर में BAC is equal to angle BAC. Proved 3, and both by CPCT. Finished. Is that clear to you? I hope you all have understood it well. Good. All right, children. So moving on to the next one, and that is number 3. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Try to understand. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Can you see line segment AB here? Yes. AD, here it is. And BC, here it is. AD and BC, they are perpendiculars to line segment AB. Not only that, ये perpendicular की बात हो गई, but they are also equal. So I can say AB equal to AD. Once again I am reading. AD and BC are equal. So equal. Perpendiculars. So perpendicular to line segment AB. See figure. It's done. Show that CD bisects AB. इसको भी समझना होगा. Where is CD? Here. It bisects AB. Does CD intersects AB somewhere? Yes, AB को O में intersect होता है. वो intersect होता है. But we have to prove it bisects. Means what? It intersects in the midpoint of AB. If CD intersects AB in its midpoint, OB equal to OA. That is what you will have to prove. If OA equal to OB, then you can say CD bisects AB. Are you getting me, children? OA. And this one side is there. And this, take this triangle. Alright? And then OB. Take this side and this side. So red triangle and blue triangle. Show that red triangle is congruent to blue triangle. Yeah, blue triangle is congruent to red triangle. So by CPCT, you will get OA equal to OB. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? CD bisects AB. हो गया? नहीं हुआ? अभी ट्राइंगल कैसे प्रूव करेंगे congruent? I can see two parts. BC equal to AD. This angle is right angle. This angle is right angle. They are equal. तीसरा कहाँ है? बोलो चिल्ड्रन. AB and BC intersect each other at point O. So ये angle and ये angle, these are vertically opposite, so they are equal. तो symbolically वो भी दिखा दिया मैंने. So now angle side. There is right angle. लेकिन right angle hypotenuse side वाला रूल नहीं अप्लाई करेंगे. Angle side. AAS. Alright. Children, पिछले सम में सेकंड में मैंने डेटा नहीं लिखा था, टू प्रूव नहीं लिखा था. यहां भी वही करूंगा मैं. सॉल्यूशन. डेटा आपको लिखना है, टू प्रूव आपको लिखना है. बहुत आसान है. यू अंडरस्टैंड? यू विल राइट दैट ऑन योर. मैं बोल देता हूं. व्हाट इज डेटा? AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to line segment AB. That's it. To prove CD bisects AB. That's it. चलिए प्रूफ आसान नहीं होगा, ये भी राइट एंगल डायरेक्टली नहीं है, तो उसलिए हमको बताना पड़ेगा कि एंगल सी बी ओ इज इक्वल टू एंगल डी ए ओ, रीजन राइट एंगल, लेकिन वो बताना पड़ेगा कैसे आया, तो ये परपेंडिकुलर की वजह से आया। सो विल राइट ए डी इक्वल टू बी सी बाय डेटा, करेक्ट। BC एंड AB आर इक्वल, वो तो है, और BC and AD are perpendiculars to AB by data. Therefore, red angle CBA या ABC, चिल्ड्रन ये O तो अभी कहीं पे आया ही नहीं, सो एंगल ABC is equal to angle DAB, right, by definition of perpendicular, correct. Therefore, instead of saying ABC, I am going to say OBC. It's one and the same angle. Angle OBC is equal to, and instead of saying DAB, I am going to say DAO. Angle DAO. What is the reason? Because A dash O dash B, A dash O dash B. That is the reason. Okay, common angle जो है, ठीक है, इसको कहेंगे रिजल्ट 1, इसको कहेंगे रिजल्ट 2। अब वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल वो भी चाहिए, सो इसे CD and AB intersect at O, CD and AB intersect at O by data। Therefore, बोलिए एंगल BOC is equal to angle AOD, result 3, and reason is vertically opposite angles, right children। बहुत कुछ लिखना पड़ा चिल्ड्रन, और राइट रेड और ब्लू के लिए अब स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। इन ट्राइंगल रेड, let me say BCO, all right, and triangle blue, let me say ADO, triangle ADO, all right। फर्स्ट पार्ट ये BC रेड है ना, BC इज इक्वल टू AD, BC रेड है और AD ब्लू है, you can say by 1, all right, then by 2 angle OBC the red one, yes, angle OBC is equal to angle DAO, right, angle DAO by 2, all right। यहां आपने क्या लिखा, बाय डेफिनेशन लिखा, इंस्टेड ऑफ डेफिनेशन बेटर टू राइट राइट एंगल्स, क्योंकि डेफिनेशन में ही है परपेंडिकुलर मतलब राइट एंगल, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग डेफिनेशन विल राइट राइट एंगल्स, ओके। एक और चीज है नंबर 3 में, एंगल BOC या रेड BOC इज इक्वल टू, बोलिए कौन सा एंगल, BOC इक्वल टू AOD, that is by 3। So which condition is satisfied? Angle side, so I'll write therefore a correspondence, yes, red corresponds to blue is congruence बाय एंगल साइड रूल। करेक्ट। अब रेड का मैं क्या लिख दूं? BCO लिख दूं। और ब्लू का देखकर लिखना पड़ेगा। डू वी हैव एनी इक्वल एंगल्स? एक नहीं, दो है। बीच में क्या है? B। यहां बीच में क्या? A। सो B corresponds to A। B is in the first order, A will be in the first order। Here बीच में O, बीच में O, so O corresponds to O। O is last, here O will be last। O और A आ गया, बच गया D, fill in the blank कर लीजिए। So BCO corresponds to ADO is congruence। ठीक है, all right, so हमें मिल गया। So what we want? OB। so यहां से OB ले लो, is equal to, तो यहां से मुझे मिलेगा OA। That's what we want, OB equal to OA by CPCT। Children, OB equal to OA, that means CD bisects AB, therefore CD bisects AB। Proved। Clear to you, children? All right, then we'll move to the next one, number 4। All right, then let's move to the fourth one, right? Okay, look here, L and M are two parallel lines। line M, small letters are used to represent line। L and M are parallel lines intersected by, ये जो parallel lines है, they are intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q। So here is another pair of parallel lines, so P and Q are parallel, L and M are parallel। See figure, we have seen that and discussed। Children, whenever parallel lines are there, you get those 6 types of pairs of angles। उसमें से 2 निकाल दो, linear pair and vertically opposite, but the other 2, interior angles on the same side of transversal, exterior angles on the same side of transversal, alternate pairs of angles and corresponding pairs of angles। Amongst these 4 also, alternate and corresponding, these 2 are very important। So वो आपको दिखाई देना चाहिए यहाँ, because when the lines are parallel, transversal will give equal alternate pairs of angles as well as equal corresponding pairs of angles, वो हमें चाहिए। All right, चलिए, show that triangle ABC, देखते हैं कहां है। A, ये रहा A, then B, here is B, and C, here is C। Children, AB तो जुड़ा हुआ है, करेक्ट, BC भी जुड़ा हुआ है, लेकिन AC नहीं, तो हमें ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा। सो दिस इज रेड ट्राइंगल ABC। ऑलराइट, और दूसरा ट्राइंगल CDA, उसको ग्रीन कर देते हैं। C is here, D is here and A is here। सो A और D को ग्रीन लाइन से ज्वाइन करते हैं, D और C को भी ग्रीन लाइन से ज्वाइन करते हैं, और C और A को भी। चिल्ड्रन, ये तो कॉमन साइड मिल गया, ग्रीन एंड रेड। It's a common side of both the triangle, correct? Okay. Now children, you can do this sum by number of ways। आप number of ways से कर सकते हैं। well, एक ये 2 ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना है। एक कॉमन साइड ही मिला, ओनली 1 कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, दैट इज व्हाट वी गॉट, और कुछ नहीं है। लेकिन आप देखो, ये लाइन पैरेलल है, करेक्ट, L इज पैरेलल टू M और AC इज ट्रांसवर्सल। वंस अगेन, L, ये लाइन सर्पेंटाइन लाइन कर देता हूं, इज पैरेलल, एंड दिस वन इज ट्रांसवर्सल। देखो ये एंगल, लाइन और ट्रांसवर्सल और लाइन के बीच, दे आर इक्वल। आर यू गेटिंग मी चिल्ड्रन? सो ये एक मिल गया, ये ग्रीन एंगल और ये रेड एंगल C, दे आर इक्वल। उसी तरह चिल्ड्रन, ये भी पैरेलल है, दिस इज पैरेलल, और ये लाइन को ले लो विच इज पैरेलल, और वही ट्रांसवर्सल ले लो, सेम ट्रांसवर्सल, तो इस बार ये एंगल और ये एंगल ऑल्टरनेट पेयर चिल्ड्रन, ये एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए, सो दिस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, दिस टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल एंड कॉमन साइड, सो एंगल साइड एंगल बाय ए ऐसे दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, गुड, ओके। चलिए लेकिन अगेन डेटा, चलिए इस बार मैं लिख देता हूं सॉल्यूशन, व्हाट इज डेटा, L and M are two intersected by P and Q. I'm using short forms. All right, this is data. To prove, भाई ये प्रूव करना है ट्राइंगल ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. ये आप L से शुरू करके Q तक लिख सकते हैं डेटा में, करेक्ट चिल्ड्रन, और दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू प्रूव. नाउ प्रूफ. चलिए चिल्ड्रन, जो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग इक्वल पाथ्स है उसमें कॉमन साइड डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन ये डायरेक्टली नहीं लिख सकते, ये क्यों दो एंगल इक्वल है वो बताना पड़ेगा. ऑलराइट, तो L is parallel to M, L is parallel to M and AC is their transversal, AC is their transversal. कहां से मिला, बाय डेटा, करेक्ट, फिगर दिया ही है ना. Therefore, कौन सा एंगल, रेड एंगल BCA, करेक्ट, BCA रेड एंगल मैं लिखता हूं, एंगल BCA इज इक्वल टू ग्रीन एंगल DAC, ये और ये ग्रीन पार्ट जो क्रॉस मार्क किया है वो, ऑलराइट, दैट इज एंगल DAC. रीजन, alternate pair of angles, correct, that is the reason, and this call it number 1. Okay children, similarly P parallel to Q and same AC is their transversal, P is parallel to Q and AC is their transversal by data. Therefore, कौन सा रेड एंगल, B, ये राउंड किया है वो BAC, रेड एंगल BAC इज इक्वल टू ग्रीन एंगल कौन सा, ये राउंड वाला ACD, एंगल ACD, कहो ये रिजल्ट 2. and once again alternate pair of angles. Clear children? Okay, और वो कॉमन साइड डायरेक्टली मिलता है. So now I will pick up the two triangles in triangle red and triangle green. Red triangle का नाम क्या दे दूं, यहां जो लिखा है वो ABC. In red triangle ABC and green triangle CDA. Green triangle CDA. ऑलराइट, चलिए पहला पार्ट कौन सा है, 1 में एंगल BCA इक्वल है, एंगल BAC इक्वल है, एंड कॉमन साइड AC इक्वल है. BCA ये रहा इक्वल टू एंगल DAC बाय 1, BAC इक्वल टू एंगल ACD बाय 2, और AC रेड इक्वल टू AC ग्रीन, कॉमन साइड मिल गया, हो गया काम. Therefore, a correspondence, red corresponds to green is congruence by कौन सी कंडीशन, एंगल साइड एंगल, यहां लो एंगल साइड एंगल बाय ए ऐसे रूल, करेक्ट. अब रेड में क्या लूं, या जो चाहिए वैसे ले लो, ABC डैश डैश डैश, ये मिलना चाहिए CDA, देखते हैं. ओके, एनी इक्वल एंगल्स, एक नहीं दो है, मिडल में देखो सी और ए, रेड सी कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू ए, सी लास्ट ए लास्ट आएगा। दूसरा एंगल, ए बीच में सी बीच में, रेड ए कॉरेस्पॉन्ड्स टू सी, रेड ए फर्स्ट है सी पहले आएगा। अब बोलिए क्या बच गया, सी और ए आ गया, डी बच गया, सो डी। ऑलराइट, देयरफॉर भाई अब ट्राइंगल का सिंबल ले लो, ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू ट्राइंगल सी डी ए। प्रूव हो गया, यही प्रूव करना था। गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? फाइन। So moving on to the last sum of this session, and that is number 5. So you may copy this, okay? So here we are with the last sum of this session, that is number 5. Let's read the statement and try to understand. Line L is the bisector of angle A. Can you see angle A? All right, and this is actually line L. All right, angle A and line L is bisector. Children, try to understand. Line L is the bisector of angle A. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Symbolically what you can write, children? Symbolically क्या आएगा? Yes, in the figure if you want to show symbol, yeah, this angle and this angle are equal. ये पूरा angle A is divided into two angles of equal measure. So line L is bisector of angle A, and B is any point on L. Yes, you can see that B is any point on L. BP and BQ, BP and BQ are perpendiculars. They are perpendiculars, means right angle from B to the arms of angle A. Children, this is one arm, इसको कहते हैं arm, one arm, and this is the second arm. These are the arms of angle A. From B, drop perpendicular. This is B, P, and then from B, drop perpendicular on the other arm. This is B, Q. So BP is perpendicular to first arm and BQ is perpendicular to other arm. Is that clear? See figure. You have seen the figure and done the work. Symbols. ये दो मिल गए, correct? Show that triangle APB, A, P and B. Let us make it green. And this is the third side. And this is the right angle. So triangle green is congruent to triangle red AQB. So A, Q, and of course B. So this side red, this side red, this is right angle, and third side. That is common side. Correct? So I am going to put 3 cut marks over it to show that is common side. Dear children, 3 corresponding paths are equal. You can see this angle is equal, this angle is equal, and the common side. So which condition is satisfied? There is right angle, there is hypotenuse, RH, but no S, no third side. So you will have to look for other one, and that is angle, angle, side. Angle, side. So by AS, the green triangle is congruent to red triangle. Khel khatam. Are you getting me? Chalo. Solution. Data I'm not going to write. To prove I'm not going to write. Proof. Chaliye, what you can write in data? L is bisector of angle A. first thing. Then B is any point on line L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars from B to the arms of angle A. ये सारी चीज डेटा में, the information that is given. And what we have to prove? Yes, this to prove triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. I'll start the proof. Children, we have already got all parts, correct? Why angle P and angle Q are equal? Right angles. But why they are right angles? Because these are perpendiculars. कहां से मिला perpendiculars? Data में है. So I'll start with that. Okay. Line L is the bisector. Sorry, perpendicular लिखना पड़ेगा ना. चलिए, okay, I'll write about bisector. ये एंगल भी इक्वल बताना है ना हमको. So first I'll write that bisector of angle A, that is by data. Therefore green angle, कौन सा green angle? BAP, angle BAP is equal to red angle, कौन सा red angle? BAQ, angle BAQ. By definition, correct? This is okay. I'll call this result 1, and by definition of angle bisector. Okay. Now I'll write about this perpendiculars. BP and BQ are perpendiculars. I'm writing this symbol. You can write this word. From B to the arms of angle A. This is also by data. Data में है. And that's why you can say the green angle APB is equal to red angle AQB. Reason? Definition. लेकिन definition की वजह से they are right angles. So I'll write, okay, number 2. Why they are equal? Because they are right angles. Okay, children. And third, you may write directly. वो directly लिख सकते हैं. So now I can pick up the two triangles. Thus, in triangle green, what is the name of that triangle? APB. And triangle red, AQB. What we have? By 1, angle BAP is equal. Next, angle APB is equal. Next, side AB is equal. Correct? ये side AB common side. बोलिए, BAP is equal to angle BAQ. APB is equal to angle AQB. And AB is equal to AB. What is the reason here? What is the reason? By 1. Yeah, by 2. And this common side. Common side. Alright. This is by 1. यहाँ लिखना है. This is by 1. This is by 2. Finished. Therefore, a correspondence. Therefore, a correspondence. Right? The green corresponds to red. Dash, dash, dash. Is congruence. Is congruence by angle side. AAS rule. Alright? चलिए ग्रीन का क्या लिख दो? जो यहां लिखा है वही लिख देते हैं. APB. चलिए now रेड का any angles congruent equal? Yes, दो angles इक्वल है. बीच में देखो A और बीच में देखो A. A corresponds to A. यहाँ A फर्स्ट ऑर्डर में, so write A in the first order. ये एंगल के बीच में देखो P and here Q, so P corresponds to Q. P यहाँ मिडल ऑर्डर में है, so Q will be in the middle order. A और Q आ गया, तो बच गया B. लिख दो. Therefore, now you can put the symbol of triangle. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. That's it, proved. The result is proved. Okay. So children, copy this also in your notebook, and after copying, try it in the rough book on your own. You need little bit of writing practice, and when you try to write them, you will experience that understanding is easy, but writing isn't. So you need little extra writing practice to understand it. Alright? So stay safe, stay at home, alright, and do your work nicely. So see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye.